Are you tired of budget smartphones that just don't measure up? Cheap builds, sluggish performance, and missing the features you actually want? It's frustrating to settle for less, especially when most options in this price range leave you disappointed. Enter the Techno Spark 30 Pro Transformer Edition. Inspired by Transformers, this phone promises power, durability, and advanced AI features, all for around $147. But does it truly live up to the hype as a budget masterpiece? Let's dive in and find out. Right from the start, Techno has nailed the packaging. This isn't just a box, it's a statement. You get a Transformer-themed case, a USB-C cable, earphones, and a powerful 33-watt charger, which takes this phone from 0 to 100% in just 69 minutes. Pretty impressive for a budget smartphone. The Techno Spark 30 Pro is as tough as it looks. We've tested it in water, dropped it on hard surfaces, and it's come out unscathed. The phone's frame and back are made of durable plastic with a hardened front glass. It may not have a screen protector, but it's built to last. Unlike many phones today, the Spark 30 Pro keeps the essentials: dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a 3.5mm audio jack, dual SIM capability, and even a memory card slot. And here's something unique. It's a 4.5G smartphone. What's that mean? Faster download speeds? Up to 300 megabits per second, putting it ahead of other budget smartphones in the market. Now let's talk display. The Spark 30 Pro packs a beautiful 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the visuals are smooth, and at a peak brightness of 1700 nits, it's easily one of the brightest displays in its category. Oh, and they've upgraded to an in-display optical fingerprint scanner, fast and responsive. This phone isn't just about looks and durability, it's packed with AI features you rarely found at this price point. The live translation tool lets you communicate across languages, while the AI-powered Sketch app transforms your doodles into digital art. And then there's Ella, the personal assistant. Need a news update? A document summarized? Ella has you covered. Now onto one of the big questions for any budget smartphone: gaming performance. We took the Spark 30 Pro for an intense 12-hour gaming marathon, putting it through its paces with high-demand games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and even Warzone. This phone handled each game like a champ, keeping frame rates stable and controls responsive throughout. Let's start with Call of Duty Mobile. Running at high graphics and frame rates, the gameplay was seamless, with zero noticeable lag, and, impressively, no overheating after extended play. Even with screen recording enabled during matches, the Spark 30 Pro maintained a steady frame rate and fluid experience. Moving to PUBG, the Spark 30 Pro continued to impress. With HD graphics settings and high frame rate, gameplay remained smooth, without any slowdowns. For a budget phone, it's rare to find such solid performance without heating issues, which can often impact gameplay in longer sessions. And now for something even more demanding: Warzone. Although Warzone is a resource-intensive game, the Spark 30 Pro held its own at lower graphics settings. At low graphics, we saw minimal lag and no overheating, which is impressive for a game known for taxing phone processors. You'll get stable gameplay and great sound thanks to the dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, making every in-game sound effect feel rich and immersive. Another cool feature? The high refresh rate AMOLED display. With its 120Hz refresh rate, this display makes gameplay feel even smoother. Whether you're navigating intense action scenes or just exploring the game's environments, for any gamer on a budget, the Techno Spark 30 Pro offers excellent value, handling popular games with ease and keeping cool throughout. So, whether you're into battle royale games, action-packed shooters, or even casual gaming, this phone is a reliable choice. It has the power to handle extended sessions without sacrificing performance, all at a budget price. For all the photography lovers out there, the Techno Spark 30 Pro is packed with features that make it a solid choice. Let's start with the front camera, a 30 megapixel shooter that's designed for selfies. It captures skin tones naturally and maintains impressive detail, so whether you're snapping a quick photo or hopping on a video call, your image quality will look sharp and vibrant. Now moving to the main event, the 108 megapixel rear camera. This camera is impressive for the price point, producing images with rich colors and plenty of detail. It's especially great for outdoor shots, where the camera captures vibrant tones in landscapes, nature, and cityscapes, making every photo pop with life. And here's where the Spark 30 Pro stands out among budget phones. Low light performance. Even in dim lighting, this camera holds its own, delivering photos that don't lose much clarity or color. You can still capture moments without the usual graininess or washed out look that many budget cameras suffer from in low light. Overall, whether you're a casual photographer or someone who just loves taking quality photos on the go, the Spark 30 Pro's camera setup is more than capable. It balances detail, color, and light beautifully, especially given its budget-friendly price. From clear selfies to vibrant scenery and reliable low-light shots, the Spark 30 Pro is built to impress without breaking the bank. Battery life? This phone doesn't just claim it, it delivers. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Techno Spark 30 Pro easily powers through a full day, even if you're a heavy user. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or multitasking, you won't need to worry about plugging in midday. And when you do need a charge, you're in luck. The included 33W fast charger takes this phone from 0 to 100% in just about an hour, so you're not tied to an outlet for long. In fact, a quick 15-minute charge can get you around 30% battery, perfect for when you're in a hurry. For anyone who values reliable battery life, whether for work or play, the Spark 30 Pro has you covered. You can depend on it to keep up with your day without needing constant recharging. Of course, no phone is perfect, and the Techno Spark 30 Pro has a few minor drawbacks that are worth mentioning. First off, you may notice ads popping up on the user interface from time to time. These can appear on the home screen or within certain apps, and while they don't affect the phone's performance, they can be a little annoying. Techno includes these ads as part of their budget strategy, helping to keep the cost low. But if you prefer a completely ad-free experience, this might be a small compromise. Another thing to keep in mind is the camera setup. The Spark 30 Pro features a 108 megapixel rear camera, which is excellent for the price and produces vibrant, detailed images. But here's the thing, the MediaTek G100 chipset used in this phone can actually support cameras up to 200 megapixels. This means that Techno could have gone with an even higher resolution camera, which might have made the photos even crisper and more detailed, especially for zoomed in shots. Now don't get me wrong, the 108 megapixel camera still performs very well, and for most users, it's more than enough. But if you're someone who really values ultra high resolution photography, it's something to consider. You're still getting a great camera, just not fully maximizing the potential of the G100 chipset. So, for around $147, you're getting a phone with AI features, powerful performance, a brilliant display, solid battery life, and unique transformer branding. This is one of the best budget phones out there right now. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And let us know in the comments, are you thinking about picking up the Techno Spark 30 Pro? Or maybe another budget phone caught your eye? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep tech savvy